Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to talk about my hair oil that I'm using from many years now, maybe 2 to 3 years. In last video also, one of you asked me that my hair was dark and what is it that I was doing. Not only YouTubers but my cousins and all, they also have asked me if I was coloring my hair and why was my hair so dark and all. So I'm going to share the secret today. But before I start the video, earlier when I used to watch YouTube videos which used to say that this will darken your hair and all, I never believed them because I thought that an hair oil can never help you darken or thicken or help with the hair fall and all. But even now I'm not saying that the hair fall will help you. I mean, hair fall oil will help you with hair fall, etc. But I'm sure it will help you with darkening of the hair because I myself have experienced this. So my journey with hair oil started in 2015, 5 years ago, close to, where I have read an article in the newspaper, in Telugu newspaper, some tips for beauty and all in Vasundhara and in Eenadu paper, saying that curry leaf oil will darken your hair. But the naturopathic doctor who suggested that very clearly mentioned in her disclaimer that you have to use the oil for 3 to 6 months to see at least 10% of visible result. So I made it a point that I used it for 6 months and I made a big batch of it, like adding curry leaves and getting amla, dry amla, and adding methi seeds and all to it. And I made a big batch, so it was sufficient enough for me for 1 year because back then I used to oil my hair only once a week. So yeah, that oil was there for 1 year, and after 1 year I could see that the redness in my hair or the brown color that we see in our hair due to overwashing of the hair or due to stripping of the oil in the hair, that has been reduced. So that is how the journey began. And since she said 6 months is the least time, from past 4 years I've been using only that oil. Very few times I use a normal coconut oil to the hair. Otherwise I usually apply that oil only. Now I'll tell you a recent addition is something that I've done to this oil. That is Ratan Jyot. So most of you know what Ratan Jyot is. That is why this oil is maroon, dark maroon in color. So the things I've added in this one is this is something that I prefer applying to the scalp and to the middle end of the hair. If the ends of the hair, either apply a normal coconut oil or you can apply this also, no issue. But I've somehow developed a habit of applying this to scalp and middle ends, and later I just apply post which I apply a coat of coconut oil again. So this one I've added the ingredients like coconut oil, castor oil. There is no like measured portions of that. You can just eyeball and you can just measure and add how much ever you want. And I've added Ratan Jyot to it. I have added a bunch of curry leaves, methi, and also I have added some amla, which I had at home, dried amla. I got it from herb shop. If you are in Hyderabad, you get it in Nampalli, in any Unani medicine shops. And I let that boil for 10-15 minutes, and I let them rest for at least 7 to 8 hours. And when it was cool enough, then I stored it in this glass jar. And earlier I used to add rosemary dried leaves also, which I am not doing it now because they're really expensive. I wish I could add Bhringraj to it. Any one of you has access to Bhringraj, please add it. But otherwise, for darkening of the hair, for sure curry leaf oil will work. And to that I have added this Ratan Jyot from past 7-8 months. And yeah, Ratan Jyot has definitely increased that, that like shiny black hair. Earlier also the curry leaf oil did work for me, but in combination with Ratan Jyot, it has definitely given me that nice shine and black hair. If you can, if you want to see, you can go to my previous video and see my hair. And when I apply my oil or when I just do head bath and come, people ask me if I use some artificial fibers or something like that, because my scalp also started looking so dark. Though I have thin hair now, I have a lot of hair fall issues, but still the little I have, this oil has been really helping me. And apart from using this oil, I would also say that I have stopped using stripping shampoos from last 1 year. Only Aroma Magic shampoos is something that I'm using because they all are sulfate and detergent free. So that is one addition that I've done. Also, drinking a lot of water is important. but this oil has really helped. So anyone who wants to try this sort of oil to get black hair, guys, the minimum wait time is like 1 year, and you have to apply it twice or thrice a week at least, not once a week. So yeah, this is my little secret. You can make oil in any which portions and etc. that you want. Just store it, make a big patch of that so that you do not miss the continuity of it, and you use it for at least 1 year to see some visible results. This particular oil has really reinstated my faith in Ayurveda, because I thought that few things take a lot of time and all, but or they do not work, all the remedies that are shown in YouTube and all. But having used it consistently for 3 years, 3 to 4 years, I can definitely say any natural thing, they work. But the thing is, they take a lot of time, and you need to be consistent in what you're doing. Thank you so much for watching.